Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Cecilia Eunika Kindangen. My ID student number 19110 031, majoring in biology. Take the topic that I will discuss about Indonesia will issue a looking regulation because COVID-19 cases continue to increase. The Indonesia government is currently drafting regulation to establish procedure and requirements for enforcing regional quarantine or looking. Because the COVID-19 in Indonesia is increasing, the government will also open access to food supply distribution during quarantine. And also, grocery stores and mini markets will continue to operate or open to provide basic needs for the community, but under tightened government supervision. In my opinion, I agree because by using looking regulations, because COVID-19 cases continue to increase. To prevent this virus from continuing to spread, the Indonesia government has drawn up regulations to establish procedures and requirements for enforcing regional quarantine or looking because the COVID-19 virus in Indonesia is increasing. However, the government will also provide food for the community during quarantine and also existing mini markets and grocery stores will be opened or continue to operate to cover of the basic needs of the community during quarantine. However, under strict government supervision. This happens because COVID-19 virus in Indonesia continues to increase so that the number of deaths soared. Therefore, the government takes regulations by applying quarantine to prevent the spread of this virus. As a society, of course, must follow the regulations of the government because this is all for the common good and prosperity as Indonesian citizens must keep a distance, diligently washing hands, using masks, and avoiding crowds of people to prevent the spread of the COVID-19 virus. The conclusion of the discussion I took on the topic about Indonesia to issue a lockout regulation as a COVID-19 case continues to soar cause COVID-19 virus continues to increase. Therefore, the government issued regulation to prevent the spread of the virus. As a society must listen and obey the rules, must avoid the crowds of many people, wear masks, but inside and outside the house, diligently wash, maintain cleanliness in the environment, and stay alert and safe. Thank you.